everyone, welcome back to our channel and join us for another house tour featuring this 5-bedroom modern contemporary luxury home with pool, fully furnished and located in an exclusive subdivision in the heart of Angeles City. Before we begin, please don't forget to click the like, subscribe and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. And let's start ang paborito ko talaga pag corner lot yung property. And look at this. Nakita nyo ba yung view dyan? Kitang-kita yung architectural design kasi kapag corner lot. And also, mas ma-appreciate mo talaga yung yun nga, yung architectural design ng ating property. So this is your corner lot at ang measurement na ay 203 square meters. Ang ating floor area naman ay 283 square meters ang ating floor area. Elevated po ang ating property, pero this is a flood-free community. As you can see, you have your landscape garden here, very cutesy. Your parking area. Your parking area is a parking for two at automated po ang gate natin. So this is an automated gate. Look at your wall. Not just your plain painted wall, may mga materials yan. You have your tiles, hindi lang dyan, even doon sa may side, makita mo doon. And yung architectural design natin, kung mapapansin nyo, may mga corners siya na curve, not your usual corners. And look at that bridge relay and yung sun blocker natin doon. Hindi lang yan for aesthetic, but also that is very helpful para hindi direkta yung sunlight doon sa mga rooms natin. Pasok na tayo. Your service gate. Pagpasok natin, I love this garden kasi saktong-sakto yung laki niya. Landscape na rin siya, pero if you want to add more plants, pwede rin. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina. Diba? Hindi lang plain painted yung wall natin. May accent tayo, may mga metal tayo dyan. Breeze blockers din yan, pero yung airflow natin tuloy-tuloy. Your lanai. Ang ganda ng size ng garden natin, no? Pwede pa maglaro yung mga bata. Your lanai, very spacious. You have your canopy here. And this way, dito yung iyong lap pool. Yes, perfect siya for kids, small gatherings, pero I would say na mas mag-enjoy talaga yung mga bata dito. Ang maganda pa dyan, you have a spacious lanai. Kaya, this goes to your dining area. Pag may gatherings kayo, open mo to, you can extend your dining area here. So, mas masaya, di ba? Let's go! Pinakita ko kanina yung... but wait, look at that. Tignan mo naman yan. Hindi lang basta-basta yung architectural design natin, even yung lighting natin. Nakita nyo ba yung mga curves? Tapos may mga LED strip tayo. And that wall, you have that stone design tile na perfect para sa wall natin. Ang ganda. Yung mga LED strip natin, even sa parking area, you have your LED strip here. So nice, no? Tignan mo yung yung ceiling. Wood design with LED strip, may mga pin lights and spotlights din pala. May spotlights pala tayo dyan. Makita mo naman, dalawang sasakyan, kasya po. Van, car, pwedeng-pwede. So yung porch, elevated porch with step lights. There you see. There you go. Makita mo dyan. May plant box ka dito. I think lalagyan pa yan ng halaman. You can add more plants there if you want. And this is your front or your solid door. We have your wood panels or your PVC panels here. Outdoor panels. Smart lock. Fingerprint. You have card, password, and meron din yung camera. Fully furnished to. So, sa mga nakakita ng mga reels natin, yes, napakaganda sa loob. Kaya, pasok na tayo. And pagpasok mo, gusto ko yung, okay, yung foyer, receiving area, ito yon. Kasi, pagpasok mo, hindi mo diretso makikita sa loob. So, you have this like, pasilip ba? Parang, there's a partition. So, this is your receiving area. You can add a cabinet here for your shoes para sa mga indoor slippers natin. Perfect yan. And, pag ganun mo, bubulugan na sa iyo ang iyong living area with a very cozy couch, cozy sofa, open to below, at ang ganda ng ating accent wall. Kung nandito ka sa view ko, I think papakita na lang sa mga B-rolls natin dyan. Merong accent wall sa taas that really looks classy. Kasi para siyang mga stones, parang Flintstone age nga siya. So, yun. Open to below, you have your chandelier, and this is your TV console. Floor to ceiling yung tiles natin, or floor to ceiling yung ating accent wall. Ayan. Lagyan mo dito yung TV. Pwede mo rin naman i-mount dito if you want. I'll show you your sofa. Ganda. And your center table. Ang ganda, oh. So nice, diba? Next, your dining area. This is your dining area. What I love about this, mga usual na tables natin, yung rectangular lang. This one, look at that, oval. And this is stone. So I think this is quartz top. Ano to? Mabigat. So, napakaganda, napaka-classy. Look at your chairs. Very comfy at matchy-matchy din siya sa mga stools natin sa ating breakfast nook. Very nice din ang ating drop light or ang ating chandelier. Wala, binilang ko talaga. 7. Tinignan ko talaga, binilang ko pila. Ang ganda, di ba? Parang kandilang nakabaliktad. You look at your drop light or your drop ceiling with cove lights. And ito yung sa lanay kanina. Diba? So, halimbawa, may gathering kayo, open mo yan, dagdag ka ng table doon, o kaya doon mo lagay yung video, okay? Tapos yung mga bata, nagsiswim. So, mag-e-enjoy po ang buong pamilya. Your formal kitchen, my favorite. From there, tignan mo naman parang magazine. Your preparation area, this is your breakfast nook. Your preparation area, it's a waterfall countertop. So, when you say waterfall countertop, diretso yun dito. May socket ka. And that goes, or that extends here, ang iyong preparation area. Ito, ang una ko na-imagine, coffee corner. Perfect, di ba? Coffee corner. There, you have your cabinet. Actually, that cabinet is yung, functional din tong cabinet na to. Aside from, nandito yung sa breaker natin. But still, meron siyang mga spaces sa baba that you can also use for your things. Spacious. And you have other cabinets dito sa baba. Madami. Tignan mo naman ang laki ng yung breakfast nook. 3 stools. Nandyan na, available na. And look at your shop lights. Ang ganda rin ng color niya. Not your usual quartz countertop na puti or black. Yung pagka-gray niya is very classy. Very luxurious yung feel niya. Also, the decorations, tignan mo naman. Very nice. You have drawers here. At meron kang, yan, marami ang drawers mo dyan. Yan. Look at that. So, lahat po yan, of course. Fully equipped na ang iyong kitchen. And you have a modern type sink. May glass rinser dyan, may dispenser, may spray. So, may pang vegetable rinser. And, meron tayong LED strip dyan. These are included. I mean, double door refrigerator that is included. Pero before yan, syempre papakita ko to, mommies. Diba? Plus na plus yung mga ganyan. May mga pull out tayo. And you also have a trash bin pull out here. And it's very nice kasi, ayan, dalawa na siya. So, for your wet and dry na mga garbage or yung trash ninyo. Ganda, di ba? Your refrigerator, napansin ko to kanina eh. Ang cute-cute kasi, matte finish siya, textured, and then rose gold yung handle niya. Very nice. Alright? Bago tayo pumunta doon sa room, I want to show you yung nandito. Hindi to nakita sa reels natin, but this door goes to your dirty kitchen, Pinoy tayo, and your maid's room na nakahiwalay sa, so nasa labas yung maid's room natin with toilet and bath. Paglabas natin, I'll just show you this view here. Ito yung sa may pool area kanina. Dito yung iyong dirty kitchen. May sink ka na rin dyan. Your laundry area here. And of course, your pool pump and your pool tank. And this is your maid's room. Silipin na lang natin. Kasi nandito yung mga pintura. So yung mga finishing nila. But the room is spacious and meron siyang full functioning na full bath. Alright? Makikita nyo naman, di ba, ang daming nakalagay. Kasyang single bed na double deck, pwede ka pa maglagay ng cabinet. Alright, let's go! Let's go! At ang pinaka-importante, kapag two-story ang yung home or yung bahay, dapat meron kang bedroom sa baba. So this is your guest room, or this can be your room if you want this to be your room. Ayan, queen size bed, may aircon na yan. At nakita niyo yung mga side drawers natin. Meron niyang wireless charging. Diba? Perfect. Ang ganda naman ng mga drawers na to. Alright, here. Ito ang yung TV rack. TV console. Pwede ka mag-mount ng TV mo dito. Pwede ka rin magpatong dito. Nandito ang iyong full bath, meaning meron kang shower area. Shower area, ang ganda ng color, oh. Metal gun color, piano type, tempered glass partition. You also have your towel rack here. At look at your sink. Diba? Vessel type sink na, I think this is stone. Maganda pa dito, walang watermarks na naiiwan dyan. Very maganda. Very maganda. Parang parang, ilawan natin yan. Parang hotel yung dating niya. Hotel vibe siya. At yung iyong, ang iyong cabinet, malaki. Okay, let's go. Katabi nito ay ang iyong powder room. Under your hindi pala siya under. Yeah, under your stairwell. Ang ganda, tignan nyo. Diba, yung powder room, ito, ang ganda rin ng vessel type sink natin. Diba? So nice. Akyat na tayo para sa mga rooms natin. We still have, since this is a 5-bedroom home, we still have 4 bedrooms upstairs and that includes your master's bedroom. Let's go! And akyat na tayo. Tignan mo yan! Oh, ang ganda ng accent wall. Itong accent wall na to, katulad siya nung accent wall sa may living area natin. Parang nakita ba yun kanina? Pakita natin kasi dadaanan natin later. Tignan mo yung iyong stairwell. Ang luwang ng landing mo. Sabi ko kanina, wow, kasya yung coffee table. Ganun siya kaluwang. And then 3 tao sabay-sabay kasya dito. Diba? Very safe. Very safe ang iyong stairwell and yung landing. Akyat tayo. Even yung steps niya, hindi siya matataas. At pasok na pasok yung paa mo. Alright. You have your first bedroom. First bedroom, of course, you have built-in cabinets. Very nice. For your TV, wow, meron ka pang accent board. Super cutie. And drawers. Aircon, of course, included. Next, common bath. Very cute ang kulay. Ganda ng floor-to-ceiling tiles. Tempered glass partition. Ang ganda ng accent ng ating shower set, stainless steel shower set, and again your vessel type sink. Very nice. At meron ka pang drawer dito. Buksan natin yung ilaw. Look at that. Ganda. Ang ganda nito, no, sir? Sa bigat. Grabe. Next. Dito tayo. Another bedroom. But this one, this is your junior suite because this has an ensuite toilet and bath. Pagpasok mo, yun yung unang sasalubong sa'yo. Ay, ang ganda rin! Ang ganda. Tignan mo yung color niya, parang hotel talaga. Very luxurious. Nabubulol ako. Very luxurious, di ba? Ang ganda. Yung color niya, ang perfect kasi dark sa wall, tapos sa light color naman siya. And your type. Yung vessel type sink mo, nagiging accent siya ng CR mo. Kasi, dark yung wall and then umaangat lalo yung kulay niya. Ganda. I love this. Okay, come on. Pasok tayo. Tignan mo yung ang laki ng window mo. So like kung ayaw mo mag-aircon, do meron ka namang aircon, pwede mo yan buksan. Okay, this is your junior suite. You have your bed here. Headboard andyan. Tapos meron ka ring walk-in closet. Kasi yung luggage dito, perfect. Ay, ang daming malalagay. Mommies. Perfect na perfect. Next. Another bedroom. Same. Ang ganda nung ating accent wall. Katulad nung nasa labas. No? And of course, you have your built-in cabinets din. Built-in cabinets with drawers. Yan. Come on. Let's go. Tayo ay papunta na sa ating master's bedroom. But before that, I just want to show you yung ating open to below na feature. Diba ang ganda? And then, you see those curtains? This is also automated. So, meron siyang remote. This one. Kasi sobrang taas niya eh. So, hindi mo yun basta-basta magaganan. Meron siyang remote para if you want to open it, to close it. Meron siya. Kahit na mataas siya. This one too. Yan. And then, before tayo pumasok, eto, papakita ko to. Eto, ang ganda. Pag nasa baba ka, pagpasok mo, yan ang bubulaga sa'yo. You have your accent wall. Tapos tinatamaan siya ng ilaw ng chandelier. Very classy. Diba? Dito, you can actually add a couch kung nasan ako kanina. Kung gusto mo siyang maging like, relax, or coffee corner, pwede ka rin dito. Dito. Palit tayo ulit, sir. Pwede ka maglagay ng coffee table dito. Parang coffee corner or plants, pwede rin. And dito yung ating master's bedroom. Pasok na tayo. I love it. Look at that. You have a king-size bed. King-size bed, everyone. And look at your accent wall. Again, yung drawer natin. Side by side are your side drawers na mayroong wireless charging. What is this for? Let me see. Ay, wala pa. Ay, sa labas pala yun. Ilaw pala yun sa labas. Tama ba? But parang, ayun. Okay. And, meron kang, of course, your balcony. Labas tayo dyan. Pero, pakita ko muna to. Oh. Yung mga atake. Parang medieval stage, no? Yung mga, Stone Age pala. Iba pala yung medieval. Sorry na. Mga mabash tayo. Ang ganda niya. And then, yung color niya kasi, umaangat dahil brown yung sa tabi niya. Drawers. Andito rin yung sa CCTV mo. I think the monitor should be here also. Drawers. Okay, dito tayo sa ating. Bago dumilim, kasi I think it's already 6:30 na ba? Anong oras na ba? Bago dumilim. Ay! Oh, pag nakaganyan siya, tignan mo yung natin, yung clear glass door natin, or yung glass door natin. Pag tinignan mo dito, para madilim na. Pero pag inopen mo siya, so it's great for those na ayaw yung maliwanag sa room. Oh, I like it. It's perfect. Tignan mo siya. Yan. So, this is your balcony. Ito siya. Ayan. Ito yung visually natin. I did mention kanina na hindi lang to for aesthetic, but also para pang protect sa init ng araw. Diba? Napakainit ngayon. So, perfect yan. L-shape siya, tapos pa-curve. Very cutie. Dito pwede ka maglagay ng upuan. Tapos gusto mo chill-chill ka lang dito, hindi ka nila makikita. Nice. And then, doon. Yan. From here, yan, ganyan siya kalayo. Tapos eto po, nandito po ang ating subdivision. 'Di ba? Tahimik, masaya. Ayun, nagdo-drone na si Engineer Gab. Pasok na tayo. Hindi pa tayo tapos sa ating master's bedroom. Dahil, of course, meron kang master's bathroom. And this is your master's bath. Spacious. Dual sink. His and hers. Ganda rin ng ating mga vessel type sink. Enclosed shower area. Ang ganda. Spacious. And nandito yung toilet. Dito siya. Ditong side yung toilet natin. Ang luwang nung CR, no? Ito pa ang aking paborito. You see this sliding door or this barn door here? Ang luwang pa dito. This goes to your walk-in closet. Kita ba dyan, sir, ang ating walk-in closet? Ayan. This is your walk-in closet. Ayan. Ang ganda. Na-maximize yung space kasi even dun papunta dun, kasya pa. There. You have it. Meron kang vanity area dito. May drawer dyan. Pwede ka maglagay ng mirror chair. And ang ganda pa kasi meron ka. Kung ayaw mo nakikita yung mga damit, pwede mong isara. Okay? I think that's it. Baba na tayo para sa ating recap. And for our recap, this is a 5-bedroom modern contemporary luxury home with pool, fully furnished, located in an exclusive subdivision in the heart of Angeles City. Maganda po yung subdivision na ito. It's one of the sought-after subdivisions here. Flood-free community, 24-hour security service, yung mga roads natin, hindi masisikip yung mga dinadaanan ng mga sasakyan, tapos marami pa tayong mga puno, and very accessible din dahil mabilis po going to major business establishment. 30-minute drive to Clark International Airport, 20-minute drive to schools, universities, malls, market. Actually, 10-minute lang doon sa isang mall. Mabilis na mabilis. And a 10-minute drive, quick access to North Luzon Expressway. So, sa mga nagta-travel po going to Manila every now and then, this is perfect for you. Ayan. Ano pa? About the property naman, ang ganda ng kanyang architectural design. Corner lot siya. Ang lot area natin ay 203 square meters. Lot area, ang ating floor area ay 283 square meters lot area. At kung maalala nyo sa labas, ang ganda ng design natin, ng architectural design natin. Very classy yung ating color palette din. May mga dark brown tayo, neutral colors tayo. Pero yung mismong design niya kasi, not the usual because of the curves sa mga corners, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda ng mga LED strip din natin para ma-emphasize yung mga yon. Your automated gate, very helpful. Two-car carport siya and very helpful na automated yung gate natin. Yung gardens natin, meron tayo sa labas, meron din tayo sa loob, at yung garden natin sa loob, pwede ka pa maglagay ng mga plants. So, napaka ideal niya for those na gusto nung mga plantito at plantita po natin dyan. Your lanay, ang ganda kasi pwede pa maglaro yung mga bata. Lalo na kung halimbawa nandun sila sa pool area natin. So, they will surely enjoy yung space natin doon sa labas. What else? Yung ating interior design, ang ganda, di ba? Matchy-matchy yung mga chairs natin, the colors, and what I like about it, very neutral yung colors. So, kung may mga gusto kang ipop up na mga colors or decorations yan, pwede mo silang ilagay at aangat talaga yung mga design nila. What else? Yung maid's room sa labas, privacy for our kasambahay, di ba? Perfect po yon. And then, you also have your room sa ground floor. At malaki din yung room natin dito sa ground floor. Kaya pwede ka na talagang tumanda sa property na ito. Kung hindi mo na kayang umakyat, so pwede ka nang, you can just stay dito sa ground floor. Ang ating 4 na bedroom sa taas, spacious din. And your master's bedroom, ang aking favorite yan. Yung master's bedroom natin, your walk-in closet, and your spacious master's bathroom. So, kayo, if you like this property, just message us. If you would like to schedule your viewing, pwede mo po kami i-message. You can catch us on our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, Instagram account, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok for sure. Nakita nyo na yung mga reels natin sa Facebook and sa TikTok. Pwede nyo na kaming i-message dahil open na po ito for viewing and for tripping. Open na ang ating mga tripping schedules. Again, follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga. You can also follow me on TikTok, Enalalu, and Instagram account, Enalalu. Kung wala ka naman social media handles, pwede mo pa rin kaming i-message dahil nandyan po sa description ang aming mga phone numbers, email. Kung wala ka naman, or if nasa ibang country ka, I think there are countries na wala sila messenger, so pwede yung WhatsApp, Viber, nandyan na rin po sa baba. Ayan, so if you like this video at sa ating mga subscribers, maraming salamat po. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks.